A busy creature's day eating. A. Apples. B. Berries. C. Cereal. D. Donuts. E. Eggs. F. Furniture. Now he's eating the furniture. G. Gravy. H. Huge hot sauce halibut hoagie. Halibut is a fish. So he's having a fish sandwich with hot sauce. I. Ice cream. J. Jacket. He's eating a jacket. K. Kilt. A kilt is like a dress. He's eating a dress. L. Lunchbox. He dumped out the food and just ate the box. M. Mayonnaise. And napkin. Oh. P. Potty. Q. Queasy. Means he's sick to his stomach. R. Rice. S. Saltines. Rice and saltines are good for your stomach. T. Tea. Tea is good for your stomach too. U. V. Vomit. W. Water. X. XOXO. What does that mean?
Hugs and kisses.
Good. Y. Yawn. Z. Zonked. The end. The end.